Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. And as you can see, this is the homepage of the app. From here you can add payment method or add different types of cards. Next, you can enter and manage all your payment methods. Check the list of participating banks. And your full activity. Next, we've got settings, where you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC, help and support, send feedback, and access to the Google account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.